Hello, day 18. I actually have got no idea what this is. I can't even decide. So let's not hold a second longer and crack on and open this. So, day 18. How amazing would this silk flower look with the abacus? This flower is named after Petershams owner and we love its unique style, just like Michelle. Let me have a look at this. Ooh. So we have this silk flower in, what colour is this? So this is the lemon lime. And it has, so it's got 3 flowers. So you've got 2 of the larger flowers and 1 of the slightly smaller flower there. And then it also has 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's got 6 leaves attached to that as well. And actually they do look beautiful together. They do look really nice together. And these, oh, that feels really pretty. Now, I know you can make these yourself, but I would rather buy them, especially something as beautiful as this. One thing I always find is especially when they've come in delivery, sometimes they get a little bit squished. So just like boil a kettle, boil a pan of water or something, and just waft them in some steam, and it just kind of brings them back to life a little bit. I love this, absolutely love this. I'll be, obviously you'll see a close up now. So from their website, this is £6, which is actually pretty good for sunflower. And it's, oh, sorry Michelle. This is a flower which is girly but bold, and it is 10 centimeters high. Okay, oh yeah, and it just says, try waving it over a gently steaming kettle for a few seconds and watch it spring back to life. So, yes, thank you. And today's question of the day is, literally it just says, marketing tips and tricks. Marketing tips and tricks. Ooh, get yourself on all social media. So if you're not following me at Petershams Millinery, what are you doing? Make sure it's all, I'm going to put it across now. Get yourself on social media. But find find ones that work for you. Like, I am on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, obviously YouTube. I don't use Pinterest as much, and I probably should. I use Instagram mainly, and I know it links through to my Facebook as well, so that kind of helps. What I would also suggest marketing wise is get yourself a website. It doesn't have to be amazing. Mine I put together myself. It was like a drag and drop thing, so there was no coding. I managed to change the colours to my sort of like brand colours. I managed to, and it was easy to put together myself. So get yourself a website, social media. Don't overshare, and don't undershare. You have to find and use the analytics as best you can. See when your customers are coming in. See when people are viewing your posts. Do searches. But when you're using the social media, make sure you use it properly. I don't use Twitter that much. It literally just links through via Instagram. And I probably should spend a bit more time on Twitter, but then I don't really like it, so I'm probably not going to. Even though Twitter's linked in the description box. I don't really have that many followers on Twitter. Instagram and Facebook tend to be the two that I have the followers on. So I tend to focus my efforts on those two platforms mainly. So yeah, that would be my top tips for marketing. And don't be shy on paying for adverts. I don't agree with paying for adverts, for your post to be sponsored or anything like that. But I think if you're creating an advert, it would make sense to create a post which is aimed to be an advert as opposed to just a post. It's like, okay, I'm posting to social media. Okay, this post is going to be an advert. Then that's fine. You know, there is a way of doing it. Instagram shopping is a touchy one when it comes to marketing. If you say the wrong words in your listings, you'll get banned. I know I accidentally put the word feather in a description, and now I'm not allowed to do Instagram shopping for some strange reason. Like, because there's no other, there's no, or maybe wool felt or wool fur or something, who knows. And I know once you get denied, it's very hard to get undenied. So don't set up Instagram shopping unless you know you're going to get accepted. I don't know a way around of it, and if anybody has any experiences with this and any success stories, leave them in the comments below for everybody, because I would love to know how to unban myself from Instagram shopping. So yeah, that would be my basic tips and tricks for marketing. Cool. Right, day 18 done. As we're getting closer to Christmas, I'm getting a lot busier in my day job, so these videos are getting shorter and shorter. Yeah. Make sure you follow me on my social media, as we've been talking about marketing today. It's all linked in the description box below, including Twitter as well. And hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Hopefully you do want to join this wonderful family of milliners and enthusiasts and hat wearers and everything. So please join us by hitting that subscribe button. And to everybody that's already subscribed, hit that notification bell to be notified when we release videos in future. So yeah, it's only 7 days left. Got a few packages left to open. Let's join me tomorrow and we'll see what we have in tomorrow's package. Bye.